Okay, so this is going to be my first diary entry for my new commodities trading channel, and we are starting with a $20,000 balance, a little bit shy of. Don't know whether you can see that there. Yeah, there it is, you can see it there now. Okay, so that's the balance that we're going to start with today. That's how much money that we need to trade these three products. Okay, we're on an IB account, Interactive Brokers. If anybody doesn't know, you can get this free what is it called, simulator paper trading account, so you can practice this yourself and see how you can make money on the market trading commodities with $20,000. This is the exercise. Okay, so what we've got is we've got three products that we're trading today that we're going to stick with for the duration of this diary entry at this moment. One of them is ES, not sure if you can see properly there yet. You can see properly there, about there-ish maybe. ES, which is your S&P 500, YM, which is another index. Can't think of the name of what it actually really is, don't really care as long as I know that the product. And then the NQ, which is another index. So we're going with the three indexes. I've traded many of the commodities products. If anybody ever wanted to talk about any of them, I could give you my experience with them. We've got gold up, just using that as a bit of an indicator at the moment. We're not actually trading it. Have traded it before, we're not going to do that this time. Okay, so what we have here is the YM, and we're actually running short in our order. Doesn't look very short with those lots of green bars there, but if we go to let's look at the 2-day chart, you'll see where I'm coming from. It's been rising for the last 2 days, and I believe it's going to go short. So we'll go back to the first day one there. It has run short for all morning so far, but I reckon there'll be more in it. Not saying it won't go long eventually. We'll have to assess it and see where we're going with it. That's just the Australian to the USD. That's using that as an indicator there, and that indicator there is my major indicator of what's happening with the market, is this Australian dollar. So you can see there it rose up this morning and now has rolled over, so I believe the rest of the market's going to go with it. Okay, we will see. Proof will be in the pudding, as they say. Here we go. So let's have a look at this. This is the ES. There's the 2-day chart, what it's been doing for the last 2 days. Sorry about the glariness from the slider being open there. Okay, so there's your hitting the top of the range, going short. So what we're doing there is watching that. We have gone short there. Sorry, my arm's getting tired holding that up. Yeah, so there you go, there you have it, it's going short. And lastly, this reference here that I use, as well as the US dollar, sorry, it's Forex pair, US dollar hitting the Canadian, for no particular reason other than I wanted to see what the US dollar was doing. Seems to prove me quite well. When this is moving up, which it is now, it's going long, or what I call long, I believe that the opposite will happen with the indexes and the Australian dollar. Now that's generalisation, and it's a what would you call it? I need to get some water. It's the forgotten the words. Anyway, I'll come back to that. It's a correlation of different charts is what we're using here. Anyway, I'm just going to download this because it takes quite a while to download these videos and come back to you with another segment of what else is actually happening. So we'll be back.